Raj from class 4 Alpha. Today I am going to act as Marie Curie. So let's begin. Marie Curie was born on 7th of November 1867 in Poland. From childhood, she was very sincere, hardworking, curious and very intelligent. In year 1898, working with her husband, Pierre Curie, she discovered two new chemical elements, polonium and radium. The development of radiotherapy used in cancer treatment, a treatment that continues saves countless lives in the fight against cancer today. During the World War I, she designed and developed portable X-ray machine, also known as little Curies, to assist in diagnosing injured soldiers, and she also trained women to operate these machines. In year 1903, she won Nobel Prize for Physics for radioactivity, and in 1911 again she won Nobel Prize for.
I am here to present role of Ritu Khardal's first award. Ritu Khardal is an great woman scientist of India. She worked at ISRO, that is India Space Agency. She is also known as Rocket Woman of India. She is important to all children, especially girls. She teaches us that if we work hard, we can achieve our biggest dreams. More about Ritu Khardal is when Ritu Khardal was a child, she loved looking at the skies and stars.
Good morning, one and all present here. My name is SCIENZO and I am from class 3 Vita, standing in front of you to playing the role of Nikola Tesla. Few lines on Nikola Tesla are: Nikola Tesla was a brilliant and inventor, electrical engineer known for his contribution of design on modern alternating current AC electrical system. Few inventions of Nikola Tesla are Tesla coil, high voltage transformer, significant advancement in radio technology. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Ishan Rohit from class 3 Vita. Today I am playing the role of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He was 11th President of India. He was born on 15th October 1921 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His full name was Abul Abdul Kalam. His father name was General Abidin. His mother name was Ayye Amma. He is also known as Missile Man of India.
So this is Ankit from Manava Bharati International School. I am in 12th science. So we have made our project Smart City, which is inspired by our Dolera Smart City, which is in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Its location is it is situated 100 km away from Ahmedabad. Now as it is a smart city, let's know its important features. Its smart features include it has well developed technology, advanced and well connecting roads, 24 into water supply and electricity, and its main motive was to show the sustainability. For sustainability we have windmills and for the energy production. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushi and my background is commerce. My project is government budget. So first of all, what is budget? कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग भी अपना बजट सेट करते होंगे कि मुझे इस सेक्टर पे इस चीज़ पे इतना खर्च करना और इतना बचाना है. उसी हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट भी अपना बजट सेट करती है किस सेक्टर पे मुझे कितना खर्च करना है, जस्ट लाइक एग्रीकल्चर, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर एट्सेट्रा. पर्पज़ ऑफ बजट क्या है? पर्पज़ ऑफ बजट ये है कि हर गवर्नमेंट अपने कंट्रीज़ का ज़्यादा वेलफेयर चाहती है, और ये वेलफेयर कैसे होगा? एक पॉलिसी, एक प्लान के थ्रू. उस पॉलिसी और प्लान को फिजिकल पॉलिसी बोलते हैं.